Okay, okay.
Basta si Louie, binala niya.
Alright. First possession is from the team. Fast. There's some Mendoza. Pass to Haswell for three. No good. Now, Mark and Daya. Pass to Kirbyano. It's okay, go, 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 go. 2 points by, sorry about that. Yeah, disregard that point, it's okay. It's 2 points by Rabi. Yeah. That's good. Now, Haswell to Maharaj. Maharaj. Top of the order to Mendoza, number 7. To Haswell. To Mendoza. Nice fake. No good. Rebound by... who's that guy? Vince, what was it?
Nice, Curve! The birthday boy!
The score is 4-0 in favor of takeover. Rebound by Rabi to Puka. Steal by Papalan. The cannon Papalan. Now Maharaj to where? To Mendoza. To Maharaj for three. No good. Rebound by Limping, that's the turnover. Gray ball, black ball. Yeah, Geno Pakan pala. Now Haswell. Haswell off foul. Geno Pangan. Pangan, that's your first personal foul. And first team foul. 2 free throws to be awarded to number 53, Mr. Hatchet, Ryan Haswell.
Tol, yan, kuha lang ako sa upan doon, no? Walang gilang.
Second free throw is good too. The score is 4-2. It's a 2 points. It's 2 points. Oh, the blocks by Mr. Maharaj and 1. Let's see the bonus free throw by Mr. Maharaj. No good. Rebound by Puka. Now, Mark and Daya, 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by, it's the same. Teammates. Their teammates, okay, it's black ball.
Yes! Yes! Saka!
Papalan.
Pwede ba kumuha po?
3-point shot by the cannon. No good. Rebound by Maharaj. Drop steal by Kirby Hallow. Completed by Ravi.
Ako naman.
Now Kirby. Pull up. No good. Rebound by Ryan. To Maharaj. Up and one. Where's the flex? No one flex now. 1-5 foul. That's Kirby Hallow. That's your first personal foul and second team foul. 13 foul, I'm sorry. Let's see the bonus free throw. Short again. Rebound by Haswell. Pass it to Wang. Up. It's back violation by the team FAST, FAT. Now, Geno Tangan to Rambi. Tingkat pada magandangnya. Burning by Andaya. Now, Pamalan to Mendoza to Maharaj. 3-point shot by Maharaj. Double rebound. Oh, Abis Adrenaline. Score is 6-9-6 in favor of Takeover. The flash and Daya to Ruben Hollow. Pull down by now Haswell.
Galing ah.
Whoa.
Nice.
It's a trouble. What a nice move. Back in trouble. Now Mr. Mark Andaya. 2-point shot by Andaya. No good rebound. Good backs out by Mr. Papalan. Now Mendoza to Maharaj. Oh, rebound by last touch Mendoza. So it's rebound.
Nalagay. Tinawag niya ako.
One pa. Now, Halo to Ravi to Magandaya for 3. Now good rebound by Maharaj to Mendoza. Oh, it's a traveling. Yeah. Substitution number 1. Leoline is inside there. Yeah. So now Puka to Kirby Halo to number 2. Rapi. Good defense. Rebound by Vaughn. Mendoza. Good steal. Good by Andaya. Rapi. Wala po yung bola. Now Haswell. Ryan Haswell. Fake. 2 points for Mr. Haswell. The score is 8-9, 1.8 by team Takeover the last 2 minutes. Oh, that would be not like Pamalan. Sorry. Because Pamalan. Oops. Now Mendoza. Nice pass to win! No good! Rebound by Kirby. It's offensive foul by Kirby Halo. Substitution. Gideon Halo. In. Brother Halo out. Now Ryan Haswell. Shot by Haswell, number rebound by Vaughn. 2-point shot by Sherman Vaughn, number rebound by number 10. Mark the flash and Daya. Oh, is it a bad? By Haswell. Now, Mark Mendoza, Vaughn. Still by Gideon Halo. Now Mark the flash. Left-hander layup is good for 2. 11 is 30 seconds remaining. Laser by 7. It's 12 seconds, 11 seconds to be thrown to be new. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that time is the end of the first quarter. 2 free throws to be awarded to number 10. First one is Norwood. Let's see the second one. Norwood again. The score is 11-8. Ravi shot. No good rebound by Sherman Ball foul. Jeno Palmer. Jeno with 35. That's your second personal foul and first team foul. 12. Rush. 2. Anas to Maharaj with 8 points by Maharaj. Now number 35, 3-point shot. Whoa, it's a free by Jeno Paman. It's 14-10 score. That's pushing foul. Hey, up, let's do it. Come on. Come on, man. That's a foul. Okay, let's make sports here, man. Foul number 17, Fuka. That's your second personal foul. Sherman Ball. There is number 35. Now Ryan Aswell. Up. Alright. This is not intentional, that's it, Ryan. Sherman Ball. Foul. Mr. Lee. That's your first personal and third team foul. Haswell versus Jeno Paman. Oh, steal by Ravi. Ravi. Rahul. Now number 35. To Mendoza to Rahul. Shot, never rebound by number 35, Jeno Paman. 3-point shot by Jeno. No good rebound by Fuka for 3. No good rebound by number 0, the Shermanator. 3-point shot by Aswell. Between 16, Gideon Halil, substitution, that's foul. Yeah, Gideon. Yeah. Rock steal by Jeno. Bad pass by Maharaj. Jeno. 16-10 is the score. We got Sherman. Steal again by Jeno. We got Jeno again. Another 2 points by Jeno Paman. Thailand. Fast. Looking for some teammates. Asking for some screen. Jump shot. 2 points. By Haswell. The score is 12-18. Now, the flash. Oh! More shots, but still good. Maharaj. Oh, still Puga. Puga. Oh, fast. Nice pass to Mark. Lupa back to Puga. Oh, bad pass by the Flash. Sherman ball to Ryan Aswell. Steal by Kirby. Mr. H. Brown. Hollow. Kirby. To Brother Gideon. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. Johannes. Oh, turnover. Okay, now Mark, the Flash. Oh, it's a block. Haswell to Maharaj. To Sherman ball for three. No good rebound by Fuka. To number 35, Geno Paman. Now Geno Paman, right for Sobo. Foul. Who's foul ref number 0? Shermanator. That's your first foul, I think. And the first team foul. 2 free throws to be awarded to number 35, Geno Paman. First one is good. Substitution rep. Vong out. The cannon in. Fuka out. Lane in. From 7 free throws left, rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza. To Brother Mendoza. Oh! Foul by Lee. Number 1, Leo Lee. Now Mendoza. To Maharaj for 3. No more rebound by Lee. Is that turnover? Okay, now Kirby Hollow for 3. 2 points only, 2 points. Stepping. The birthday boy last night. Now Haswell lays it up. 2 points by Ryan Haswell. Score is 23-14 in favor of the team takeover. Whoa, 2 points by Mark Andaya. It's 25-14. Whoop, Haswell to Mendoza. He was screened by Maharaj. To Mendoza. Shot. No good rebound by Kirby. Hollow. Foul. Johannes Mendoza. Yeah, Johan. Who's foul? Number 3. Oh, 23 at Papalan. Substitution rep. Substitution. The cannon. Foul. Now, Mark. The flash shot is blocked, I think. Now, Ryan Aswell. Nice pass to Arno. Turnover. Number 35 to Mark Andaya for 3. No. Rebound by Mendoza. To the cannon for 3. Boom! Mawani. Number 35 to Kirby Hollow for 3. No good rebound by Lin. Yeah, good rebound by Lin. To number 10, Andaya. Foul. Who's foul number 53? Thank you for raising your hand, Mr. Ryan Haswell. First personal. Foul. Your third team foul.
Rep. Hindi. Kinukuha ko sila.
First free throw by Mr. Andaya is no good. Substitution round up. Sub. Okay. All good. We'll see the second one. Good. It's 26-17 is the score. 1 to Mendoza. Now, the cannon. Oh, no good rebound by Ryan. 2-1. It's 3 seconds violation by Johannes Mendoza. 1 minute and 2 seconds remaining. Leolin, Linsanity, Mr. Lin, to Ravi. Shot by Ravi, number rebound by it's a foul by Gideon Hallock. Yeah, Gideon Hallock, that's your second, I think. Second personal foul and 16 foul. 30 seconds.
Penalty.
Now number 7, Mendoza. Foul. 17 fouls. Is it penalty, 7? Yeah, penalty. It's a penalty. The second one. Sinipat ng todo-todo no good. Alright. It's 18-20. Number 7. With that, by Mr. number 17, Puka-Puka. The cannon. Pabalan. 3-point shot. Oh! 21-26. 3-point shot by Pantaya. No good rebound by Maharaj. Pass break to Haswell. 2 points by Ryan Haswell. It's 23-26 now. 2-point lead. Oh, in timeout. Genong Panga. Goes over to Fuka. Steal. Oh, overcompleted. Now 1 to the cannon for 3. Rebound by 1. 2 points by 1. For 1. Foul. Who's foul? 63-1. It's your first personal, Mr. 1. And first team foul. 1 point by the team green. First free throw is good by Ravi. G. Second one is good again. It's 28-25. 3-point lead by Takeover team. Can they take over? We'll see. Now number 53. 1 to number 7, Mendoza to Mr. Hotshot, Ryan Haswell. Roswell, dribble exhibition, pirouette move, shot 2 points. It's 27-28. Point lead now by the team. Jerome Pangan side step move, now good rebound by Ravi. Now rebound up, foul. Number 7, Mark Mendoza. That's your second personal and second team foul. You know, Jerome Pangan, nice pass to Lee. Inside to Jerome Pangan for 3. Boom! The score is 31-27 now. So by 4-point lead by the team takeover. 3-point shot by Haswell, short. Rebound by Ravi. Shasta Ravi to Kirby Hado. Shot 2 points by Kirby. Now, the cannon. Whoops, foul.
Okay na.
Second one is no good. It's 0 out of 2, but for the cannon. Now Kirby Halo for 3. No good, rebound by Mr. Haswell. Across the course, pass to the cannon for 3. Magulit lang. Okay, rebound by Mr. Lee. To number 35, Jerome Pangan. Shot, no good, rebound by Maharaj. Last touch by substitution. Margandaya in, Pangan out, and number 35, 10, Maharaja. Haswell. Ryan Haswell. Against a flash. Okay. Shot by 1. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. To the cannon for 3. Rebound by Margandaya. Oh, stop. Shot. 2 points by Andaya. Okay, then to Mark Mendoza. It's an 8-point lead. Oh, Mark Mendoza, no good, rebound by who's that man? Last touch. Green. Now, right now, for 3! Yeah!
Sino? Magaling sa green. Yung green?
Mark the Flash Andaya. Against 10. Whoa! It's a black or a pass. Now, high shot Ryan Haswell. Tyson, no good, rebound by Mendoza, Johannes. To Mendoza. To Ryan Haswell. Good pressure by Haswell again. Take over. Okay. I need an extra chair. Meron nata doon sa kabila. Now, Ravi for 3. Never rebound by will save by Mr. Fuka.
Kailangan mo ng chair, kumuha ka. Bigyan ng chair yan. Bigyan ng jacket yan.
Versus by Haswell, will be won by Fukufuka. Pass to flash tayo. The flash got blocked by Mr. Hatcha.
Ming, bro.
Ravi to the flash tayo for three. No good, rebound by Paman. It's a block. Genoa Paman. Oh, nice move. But no good. Rebound by Shermanator. Rock. Mendoza. 48 seconds remaining. 47. Now Ryan Haswell. Oh, goes over against the flash shot short. Oh, that was the same ball, same ball. 33 seconds, 31. Mark Mendoza. Oh, Ryan Aswell for two. No good. Rebound by Fukufuka. 13 seconds, 12 seconds. Guarded by Mr. Vaughn, now Mark Andaya. For three. No good. Rebound by number 35. 2 seconds, 1 second. End of the third quarter. The score is all 35.
Kalaban namin, item din, ang pro.
Itim din? Itim din?
Okay. Ryan Haswell. Steal by Kirby Ryan.
Birthday boy!
2 points by Mr. Ryan. Brought to you by
Knock!
Oh, turnover is stepping.
Nakomenta mo naman na Kevin Dola.
It's a 2-point lead by Tate over team. Ravi to Jeno. To Kirby Hallow.
Defense!
3-point shot by Hallow. Oh, not your birthday anymore.
Defense! Defense!
Now, we've got 10. 10! Whoa! All the way! Goes to Phillips by 10. 2 points. 2 points by 10. It's time. 37 all. Jeno Pana. 3 points by Jeno Pana. That's 14-37. Sabi na, kabila. Still again. Jeno, 2 points. It's 42-37.
Pachula!
Three-point shot from the punch. Maharaj.
Brown, James Harden.
Rahul Maharaj, number 13. Foul, Ravi.
Switching.
First team foul. Sa kabila, sa kabila. Alright, thank you very much.
Sino kalaban nyo eh?
Castuela of ICE.
Sino?
Ice Grizzly. Still again! Oh, foul by Mr. Haswell. That's your second personal foul and first team foul. The score is 42-37, 2 free throws by Geno Pangan.
Match to, man.
First one is no good, Sam. No, Sam? Oh, no. Okay, let's see the second one.
Mabaksak nyo yung dalawa.
Center pa naman siya.
Good. 1 point.
Ito sa Adrian.
Point man.
Sa Adrian.
Shermanator. Wrong. To Dan. Oh, Dan.
Patawin mo na lang yun.
Nice pass to Shermanator for 2. Aswell versus shot. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. A jumper. Is it green ball? Green ball, green ball. Geno. Signal the play. 3-point shot by Geno. Sure. Rebound by Shermanator. Foul Didian Halo. Right.
Dapat. Akin te. Oh, tanginang yan. Oh, shoot. Uy.
Ano tingin? 3-point shot by the cannon. It's 42-43. Geno Pangan to Leolin. Insanity to Shasta Ravi. Whoa, nice move! To the line by Shasta Ravi. It's 45-42. Here's our score. 3-point lead by Takeover Team. 3-point shot by Pamalan. Long. Rebound by Haswell for 3. No good. Rebound by Fuga. Wala pala. All the way. No good. Rebound by Ravi. Power 2 points by Shasta Ravi. It's 47-42. 5-point lead by Takeover Team. Aswell guided by Geno Pangan. Shah is a black. Now here comes Shasta Ravi. 2 points by Shasta Ravi at 7-point lead now. By Takeover now. Deng to the cannon. To Maharaj sa black. Gaman 1. Now Maharaj. Fairway. They would be ding. No good. Rebound by Pangan. To Fuga. Shot no good. Rebound by Aswell. Ryan Aswell. If you don't know, we got no Ravi. Fuga for 3, no good, rebound by Ravi. Ravi, no good, rebound by Aswell. Aswell, Ryan. Side step, 2 points by Ryan Aswell. It's 44-49. 3 minutes and 19 seconds remaining.
Fourth quarter.
Leo lead for 3, stepping, no. Rebound by Aswell.
Third quarter.
3-point shot by Aswell. 47-49.
Joe.
2-point lead now by Takeover. Now Geno Pangan to Fuga to Kirby Halo. To Leo Lee. Foul 1. Substitution ref. Geno out. Martin Daya in. The Mendoza in, 10 out. Shermanator in, 1 out. Now, maganda yung three. Whoa! Oh, it's a 3-point. 5-point lead now. Mendoza to the cannon for three. Number 3, Michael Diagon. Whoa! Ang ganda sana. Now, we drop Ryan Haswell. Number 3 by Allen. 2 to Shasta Ravi for 3. Number 3 by Maharaj. Alright, 1 minute and 27 seconds. 3-point shot by Short. Rebound by Shermanator. To Haswell. Number 3 by Ravi. Ravi, foul. Alright.
Joe.
It's 47-52.
Joe.
5-point lead, 2 free throws.
Libon.
We awarded to number 2. Shasta. Ravi. Foul, Shermanator. It's a very good game. 1 minute and 8 seconds. 47-52. Okay, 2 free throws. First one is 2. Substitution. Gideon Halong and Jeno Pangan in Lynn and Toby Halong out. Oh, we'll see the second one. Double 3 by Mendoza. Foul. I think you're graduate. Maharaj to Ryan. Ryan Haswell against Ravi. Good pick. Double pick to Mendoza. Mendoza to Maharaj for 3. Double rebound by Shermanator. To the cannon. The cannon, 3-point shot. Double follow-up by Mendoza. Mark. So it's open lead now. Now Mendoza, Mark Ataya, steal. Time out. Good steal. Maharaj to the cannon. To Maharaj. There's a pass back to Puka. 2 points by Puka. Mendoza helps too. Well got by Mendoza. A foul. Foul number 17. Raise your hand please. Who's foul? Okay, 17. Who is that? Okay, Puka. You got 3. Rebound shot by Haswell. Rebound off. It's a foul by Lee. Sideball. No. It's 49-55. Maharaj for 3. Ravi pushing. Okay, he knows what to do. Okay, foul Ravi.
Nasilaimat.
17
Laki
fouls.
yun ah. Uy, puto siya.
Shot by Brian. To the cannon. 3 points. It's 51-54. Nice silence. A foul. 53.
Kompleto ba kayo?
Ryan. Alright, Ryan.
Kompleto kayo? Kompleto naman ata kayo.
Dito sa kabila. Still up.
Nagandahan niyo talaga yung guys, ha?
We got three. 2 more times.
Nagandaan.
8 seconds to go. 55, 52, 40.
Nasa feed na yun.
40 fouls.
Nasa feed na yun. Sa conversation.
Ayan.
Okay lang, maglaro tayo lahat. Hindi nagtayo ng...
Foul number 0, Shermanator. 15 fouls. Kami lang.
Hindi naman ako nagtayo eh.
Yeah,
Si Kevin.
Shermanator. 15 fouls. It's 15 fouls. May timeout pa. May 3 timeouts pa to.
Sino kayo so far? Apat pa lang kayo. Apat pa lang kayo.
Okay, let's go. Still not yet, not yet. 15 fouls. Foul, Shermanator. 16 fouls. Last one. Next one. Foul. Okay, penalty. 2 seconds remaining.
Nasa 53, man. Oh, shit.
Yes, Ryan Haswell. Yeah, 1-1. Okay, dress up, A6 and Shakers. No, remember my running foul. 1 second to go. Yeah, it's one.